Hello guys, this is Krish and this is Thrifty Tabby, and today with my partner Tabby we are going to stuff my personal binder for March 2024. So let's see how much money we have on hand to do this particular thing. So it's not much, but we can work around it. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 500. Oh, wait, first I need to organize those balls. So, okay, let's flip them over a bit. All right, so let's do it again. Counting. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 20, 40, 60, 80, 600. All right, 600, that's what we have today. Let's see what we can do with this money for my personal binder. So the first category here is beauty. So I changed it. It's not going to be challenge anymore. It's just going to be beauty, and that includes my hair, my nails, and stuff like that. So I'm stuffing 300 in this envelope if I need to go to do my nails or anything other than that. When it comes to makeup, I am stuffing 100 if I need to buy myself makeup. And I do need to buy myself makeup. I need foundation, I need 2 mascaras at least, or something like that. When it comes to hobby, I'm going to stuff 100. So this is everything. This is YouTube and other things. So I'm stuffing that with 100. And when it comes to this envelope, it's been depleted. And the reason for this envelope being depleted is because my husband took this money and buy himself something as a part of his birthday gift, and I hate it. I hate that fact that he depleted his own envelope, but he said, honey, can you like give me this money because I made I want to buy myself a new phone and stuff like that. So he bought himself a new phone, and because of that he depleted his own envelope. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start over. So we need to wipe this down and start over, as I mentioned. So just give me a second, I'll bring myself a remover and we'll see how it goes. Right, sorry I kept you waiting. So we're going to remove all of that. Woo, that's intense. Okay. All right. And we're gonna start over, and that's absolutely fine. This is our money in the end, so it doesn't make a difference if he took it in March or he's going to do it in May. I still have so much money left. So like it's for him. This is his money. It doesn't actually matter if it's his birthday or whatever that is. So he said he wants this money back, and I'm going to stuff it back. So it's a 50. He wanted a gift, he got himself a gift. That's absolutely fine. So a 50 lands in his envelope alongside the challenge. Oh, I need to stuff it. Come on. All right. Here it goes. Thank you. All right. For the emergency, we're gonna stuff a 50 as well. So, as you see, it was also depleted. Nothing is here because there was an emergency that needed to be taken care of. And unfortunately, that means that we have spent all of the money for the stuffing, but it's okay. We stuffed all of the envelopes for my needs, and now we're gonna go further. Brilliant. So this is it. So that was everything for today, guys, and the rest of the categories is going to be filmed in the next staffing, or actually I might combine the two of them. I don't know yet, so we'll see about that. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.